October 2nd begins the start of the Jewish High Holy Days, beginning with Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year, and ending with Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement.
So when there is a holiday, of course, there is food.
Yay.
And joining us to share some of those holiday recipes is Naama Shefi and Chaya Rapoport from the Jewish Food Society. So good morning to both of you. Thanks for being here on New York Living.
Thanks so much for having us.
Well, you really look like you're about to spoil us, 'cause this looks fantastic. But let's get to the business first. This book, The Jewish Holiday Table. What can you tell us about it?
Sure. So our new book really brings traditions and recipes and stories from Jewish families from all around the world. So we follow the Jewish calendar and we bring the stories from places as far apart as Argentina, Paris, Ethiopia, Morocco. Yes, and we brought some good things to try.
Can you tell us the role of food, though, in the holy days?
Of course, it's everything, really. So at Jewish Food Society, we're building the largest archive of family recipes and the stories behind them and the history. And we love to eat. And in Jewish tradition, this is our culture. We have lots of symbolic and, and foods. Yeah. And this is how we celebrate.
I also love that you mentioned countries that folks may not necessarily think of Jewish culture, like Argentina or Paris. So it's really like this diaspora. So what can folks expect to find in this cookbook?
Exactly. So, you know, many people, when they think about Jewish food, they think about chopped liver and matzo ball and bagel and lax, and we love all of them. And these are great, but there is so much more, and it was important for us to really highlight this incredible diversity and seasonality.
And Chaya, you are the culinary manager of the Jewish Food Society.
Correct.
So can you tell us what you brought for us today?
Yeah, so we brought a really beautiful and diverse display of recipes from our book from families all over the world. We have a pomegranate, mint, and eggplant salad over there from a family who comes from Iran. We have a really refreshing cucumber, mint, and sumac salad over here. This is one of Naama's favorite dishes.
This is lubia mita, green beans with spices from Baghdad and from India. Again, the family who shared this recipe with us, they are now based in London, but their ancestor immigrated from Baghdad as early as the 18th century to India. So it's really this beautiful reflection of their heritage.
What are the spices in there, then?
There's so many. So there are like your
ginger, garam masala, turmeric. It's a lot.
Oh, wow.
Tasty, spicy. Yeah, and super simple.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And what do we have on this side of the table? Let's not ignore everybody over here.
Of course. So we've got the star of the show. We have a beautiful round challah with honey and raisins, and we'll get to how to make that in just a minute. We have a really delicious chicken soup, which another one of Naama's favorite recipes. It has a really beautiful story behind it. Chef Fanny Gerson, it's from her family. They immigrated from Ukraine to Mexico City.
Okay.
And this soup is flavored with jalapeno and avocado, cilantro, lime, really delicious herby matzo balls. And then we have this pakaila, a Tunisian spinach, meat, and white bean stew.
I've been eyeballing that since 9:45.
It smells really good. I'll give you that. And honey cake for dessert. Yeah.
So let's do this. The magic. How does this happen?
Let's
do it. Braiding?
Sure. So this is actually, you know, you get this really beautiful crown-like result, but it's super simple. You have 4 strands, and we're just going to start with 2 on the bottom. We're going to weave 1 under, and then 1 over. And so once you have, just like that. Once you have these 4 strands, you just start folding each strand over.
Next to the one next one.
Exactly. And then the other way around.
She's making this look very easy.
So we start getting kind of a basket weave.
This is like Pythagorean theorem over here.
It's
you're really
like
just
the Rubik's Cube in my
folding the strands together on the sides, and then at the end, you tuck them all together, and you get this beautiful braided crown. You let it rise, and it bakes up into this beautiful, fluffy challah.
I think it took you less than 30 seconds to do that.
That was impressive.
How many of these have you done in your life?
A lot.
I would think.
Countless. Yeah.
I would think.
Yeah.
Well, this is delicious looking. I cannot wait to try it. Thank you both for coming in.
Thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Shana Tova.
Shana Tova.
The Jewish Holiday Table Cookbook is available wherever books are sold.